Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And I've got a quick tip of the day. If you're thinking about getting the GoPro Hero 10, and it is for a limited time, and that it includes the free Enduro battery with it. I have switched in from the original battery to the Enduro, and I have to tell you, on my Hero 9, it's definitely made a big difference. Been thinking about jumping up to the Hero 10, but currently I still have the 9. And it also comes with a 64 gigabyte SD card plus the Hero 10. So it's a nice package, $399.98. And that upgraded battery definitely has made a nice difference. So check it out today. I'll put a link where you get more information on this limited time deal. Again, it's the Hero 10 Black plus a new Enduro battery plus a 64 gigabyte SD card. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, thanks for your time. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.